Yeah, this life, I ain't concerned with your life, but it's my life. I rob niggas so I'm never broke. I'm not pop, but it's the realest shit I ever wrote. Beefing with OP, cause they try to get at my nigga smoke. Ass mates, fucking with lyrics, you can get your liver poked. I never been to heaven, but I've been through hell. 2000 fucking with Karina Rochelle. 5 years later, looking at a Jerry at 12. I'm in jail staring at walls. Niggas I thought was my dogs, ain't accepting my calls. Instead of at it, they expecting my fall. Life is a lesson, locked up, wife and me stressing. Looking at balls got me filled with aggression. This shit is driving me crazy. Bitches got me arguing daily. Couldn't take the pressure, so she went to the clinic and murdered my baby. My nigga K sent me some dollars, wrote me a letter, said there's plenty to follow. Don't worry my nigga, I'm here till the end of your sorrow. It's been 2 years, I ain't heard from them ever again. Niggas ain't real, they just know how to pretend. I learned niggas ain't as real as the bitches, cause they the ones that keep writing and sending me pictures, bringing me money when they come for the visits. I ain't dissing you niggas, but if you ain't kept it real, I'm just missing you niggas. Good health and good wealth is what I'm wishing you niggas.
Click clack, money pull a gun, but niggas get my tongue. Click clack, fuck y'all niggas, fuck y'all niggas.
These niggas is bitches, fuck 'em with my triggers.
Eles rua leca muito bom e tchau confusão. A pena gangsta que tu sobrevive. Tu te paga fatura de família que nunca tive. Dificuldade, te fica danger.
Click clack, nigga, fuck that.
Boca te acredita no jogo, mas é muito perigoso. Cozê,
gangsta shit, gangsta shit.
Cozê,
gangsta shit, gangsta shit.
A minha bad boy, juiz perdoando apesar de verdade dói. Me tem um mundo hoje, mundo mesmo no fundo. Gangsta em volta, ok, não sou de everyday. Fuck myself, fuck my life. Já fui, já bem, mas sem documento nunca pode ser. Nem procura vida melhor, mas na verdade eu sou dor. Olhar de escravo, continua em ser realidade. Licua, com pensamento te fala, só para fala, vida medonho, que te dê para cala. Polícia te para na rua, para levar para esquadra, para bater chapada, preto de caralho.
This my life, my money, my woman, my ice. This my life, my guns, my fists, my knife. This my life, my mornings, my days, my nights. This my life, my money, my woman, my ice. This my life, my guns, my fists, my knife. This my life, my mornings, my days, my nights.